Hey YouTubers, this is Old John. Going to make a video today on fixing a squeaking faucet. And I'll leave the details on the screen about this faucet. It's about 10 months old and the hot water side has started to squeak. Should be able to hear that. I've got the water shut off below so nothing comes out. Most faucets have a set screw or some kind of screw holding this on. All you have to do is make a simple twist of this lower portion and then the whole thing pops off like so. And then you have to loosen this nut, and you can use adjustable pliers. I think are the best to remove this, or you could use a crescent wrench. It's not on there very tight. Should get some water leaking out, so you need to have some kind of rag or something to catch the water, because even though it's off, there's going to be some water that's going to come out. Okay, you just grab the top, pull it loose, and the whole thing comes out. And you've got O-rings. This looks maybe like it's stretched too much. I've got some replacement O-rings. There's a lubricant on here, and that's what we'll need to do, is maybe re-lubricate with the plumber's grease or lubricant, whatever it's called. You can get at your hardware store. Can soak up the water remains if you want. I'm going to try one of these O-rings. They're sized to fit an inside diameter of 1/2 inch or an outside diameter of 11/16. So it goes on like that. Need to put on some kind of a lubricant. There's a plumber's grease or lubricant. I'm just going to try some KY jelly. You can use Vaseline. Some have used Vaseline. Obviously it needs to be edible. So put it back in. Okay, put a new O-ring on, and you have to make sure you line this up right on this particular faucet. You want this straight edge here on the outside, and you want this raised piece here on the inside. Slide it back down on, and then you rotate it clockwise. You rotate it counterclockwise, take it off, clockwise, turn on. Okay, then you turn the water on, and there's no squeak. Sounds the same as the other side. And get good flow rate, so everything's lined up. And there I just replaced this O-ring and put some grease on it. 1/2 inch inside diameter and 11/16 outside diameter, and the thickness of the O-ring itself is 3/32 inches. So that's how you stop a squeaking faucet. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. I have over 300 additional videos, if interested, on DIY and product reviews, some programming, some computer work, some spirituality. So this is Old John signing out.